Hey guys, this is Anusha. I am a makeup artist. I mainly do bridals, which is my field of expertise. I do other kinds of makeup also. So if you want to see my bridals and non-bridal works, you can please check my Instagram profile. I'll link the link somewhere down here below. So for this look I've created, this is a very simple everyday minimal look. You don't have to be a makeup artist to create this look. This is a very beginner friendly without a foundation. So you can wear it for college, office, or wherever you're going out. This is a very non-occasional makeup. So if you like this video, please like my video, please forward out your suggestions, please comment what next videos you want to see. So hope you guys like this, and we'll move into the video. So I've already cleansed my face, and this is my face without any skincare or makeup. I'm going to start up with this Bobbi Brown in vitamin enriched face base. So I'm going to take a generous amount of this and apply it on my face. So next I'm going to put on some lip balm. So this is from Lovelies lip sleeping mask. Since I have some under eye circles and other pigmentations going on in my face, I usually go with an orange corrector before any concealer, so that all the dark areas would fade away. So I'm taking this palette from MAC. So I'm going to use this orange corrector for my under eyes and the rest of my face. So always use any product in dabbing motion rather than dragging it away. Being an everyday makeup look, I'm not going to fully cover my face. It's not a full coverage makeup. Your acne scars or other pigmentation will likely peek through because we don't want a full coverage makeup for office or college, right? So yes. Next I'm going to use concealer for my under eyes and wherever I applied the orange corrector. So I'm going to take this concealer from NARS. So this is in the shade Caramel. So you can always blend it with your fingers, but I'm taking a mini beauty blender. This is from Fenty Beauty. So I'm just gonna dab it. If you can see, I'm not dragging the beauty blender, I'm just dabbing it. I'm going to leave my upper eyelid without any foundation or concealer. Since it's an everyday look, I just want it to be bare. Always work from down and then go towards the upper part. For a flawless base, make sure you perfectly blend it in all the product. So take your time while blending. I'm just taking the beauty blender to the rest of the face, but I didn't take any extra product. I'm just working with whatever product is left in the blender. So next I'm going to set the areas under my areas with this MAC compact. This is in the shade NC42. You can always use whichever compact is available with you. So I'm just taking a large powder brush for this. So next we can move on to the eyes. If you're not an eyeshadow person, you can totally skip this step. I'm going to slightly use a very subtle eyeshadow to my eyes. So I'm taking this Urban Decay Naked Petite palette, and if you can see the shades, they are all brown neutrals. So I'm just gonna take this shade over here, and I'm just slightly putting it over my upper lid. And do not forget your lower bottom line. So I'm just taking a little bit darker shade for my lower bottom line. So I'm just going to taking the same shape and lightly contouring my nose. So for a little bit of contouring, again you can totally skip this step. So I'm going to use this compact from MAC in the shade NW45. Since I have a small forehead, I don't contour my forehead, so I'm just taking this. So next we can move to the eyebrows. I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist. So this has two sides. So one is a spoolie and another one is the eyebrow pencil. So it looks like this. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm not going to thicken it or overdraw the eyebrows. So I'm just So next we can move on to the eyeliner and mascara. I always use an eyelash curler before using a mascara or eyeliner. It just lifts my eyelashes and gives a very curled look. So next I'm going to draw my upper lid with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So I just very roughly drew the upper line because I'm gonna smoke it up with this eyeshadow. So you can always leave it with the kajal, but if you are going to apply an eyeshadow, this looks very natural. Next we can go to the mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. So this has two ends, one is a primer and one is a mascara. For everyday look, I don't use the primer part, I just use the mascara. So I'm just gonna take. So don't forget your lower lashes. So if you're a person who draws the underwater line also, you can very well go and do it, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. I prefer this way. So next we are going for the lips. We didn't forget the blush, we'll come to it. So I'm just taking this lip crayon from K Beauty. This is my current favorite everyday kind of lip crayon. So this is in the shade Climax. So this is a very dry lipstick, so I'm not wiping off my lip balm, so you can put it over it. If you want to wipe your lip balm, this is going to dry up your lips in a few hours. So I'm just going to keep my lip balm just like that. So now for the blush, I'm just going to take some of my lipstick and I'm just gonna apply it as my blush. So I just forgot my highlighter. So the last step, again you can always skip this step, but I'm going to use a highlighter. I like very glossy face. If you want a very matte finish, you can totally skip this step. I'm just taking this, actually this is a bronzer from Body Shop, but I use this as a highlighter. So that's it, the look is done. I'm going to pop some earrings for this look. So I just got this. So I'm going to show you a very simple hairstyle for office and college looks. So hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please push the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And thanks for watching.